The 2022 Range Rover is here and packing more flexibility and technology than the fourth-generation model it replaces. A new third row makes the Range Rover a more appealing family hauler and a more competitive vehicle in its price bracket, while new tech is guaranteed to bring in those who can't get enough of four-wheeled gadgetry. With two passenger configurations comes two wheelbases. The new three-row model is approximately 8 inches longer than the standard Range Rover and offers a foot of additional wheelbase, freeing up legroom for second and third row passengers. Yes, the long wheelbase model can be had in a 5-passenger configuration, which will be the sweet spot for both comfort and cargo hauling, if that's what you're looking to maximize. At launch, the 5th-generation Rover will be offered with 2 turbocharged engines. The standard choice on P400 models is a 3.0-liter inline-6 making 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque and backed up with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Stepping up to the P530 gets you a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 sourced from Land Rover's new German partner, BMW. The V8 makes 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque and is the lineup's range-topping engine. Land Rover says the new 4.4 will propel the P530 models to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Easy to remember for barstool braggadocio. Those are fine for now, but what of the future? Fear not, Land Rover says, as these two gas burners will be joined by a plug-in hybrid for 2023 and a full electric model for 2024. The plug-in hybrid will combine Jaguar Land Rover's Ingenium inline-6 engine with a 38.2 kWh lithium-ion battery pack and a 105 kW electric motor for a combined output of 434 horsepower. Land Rover says it will be capable of speeds up to 87 miles per hour on electric power alone and offers 62 miles of pure electric driving, though you won't get the latter if you attempt to do the former with any frequency. To coordinate all of this technical tomfoolery, the new Range Rover gets 2 primary control screens. The aforementioned Pivi Pro occupies a 13.1-inch curved screen atop the dash, while the driver gets a 13.7-inch cluster display. The cluster display utilizes 3 panels and can be customized to the driver's personal preferences. There are dual 11.4-inch touchscreens available for rear seat passengers as part of an onboard entertainment package. The new Range Rover can be ordered from your local dealership today with a starting price of $105,350.